Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Milk Magic Milk Straws. Uh, these are straws that you can drink milk through, and it gives milk different flavors. You can get a vanilla, birthday cake, strawberry, and unicorn kisses. There's some other flavors you can get as well. This one that I have here is a vanilla milkshake. And what you do is you just pour some milk into a container or a cup like this, and you just put the straw in, and you suck the milk through the straw, and it will give it the flavor that you have. It's a little bit difficult to suck, but it still works. It goes up through, and the flavors that's inside there will start to melt and blend with the milk, and you suck it in, and it has a nice tasty flavor. As you can see, children really like these straws, and I highly recommend them, and I hope that this review helps.